Hello friends, I am Dev and welcome to Blogging Vitals YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can install a WordPress theme in your WordPress website directly from your WordPress dashboard. But before that, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start. As you can see this site feedgirlpoint.com, I have created this site recently for testing purpose, and you can see this is the dashboard of feedgirlpoint.com. So now let's see what theme is currently installed in this website. Go to the appearance tab and then the themes option. Click on it and then you can see all the themes installed here, and the currently active theme is Safely. You can customize the theme from the customization button, this blue button, and also you can check the theme details. But I need to change this theme and add a new theme here and activate that theme in my website. So click on that add new button and this new page will open where you can search and add any theme you want. So I am going to add Astra theme, so search for Astra, and as you can see the Astra theme is showing here, and here is your option to install it. So click the install button here. You can also preview it with the preview button or the details and preview option, but I am directly installing it. And now you can see the activate button is here, so click on that button, activate, and then the new theme Astra will be activated in your website. And as you can see the Astra theme is showing here and the status is active. Safely is now inactive. You can activate it by the activate button. Now let's check the website feedgirlpoint.com again. I am reloading the website and here you go, the theme is installed. You can customize the theme if you want from the WordPress dashboard with the customize option. So a new screen is opened here and you can see a left menu bar where there are lots of customization options, and here is this live preview of the website. So you can customize your website with live preview. As you can see these edit buttons are here. You can edit all of the options by just clicking this edit button. Now with this method you can only install the free themes that is already available in your WordPress dashboard. But if you want to install a premium theme, like if you want to install a theme from themeforest.net, you can go to that website and search for any theme you want, like for food blog, and then they will show the themes available. As you can see 1521 items available as the food blog search, and you can choose any of them. You can buy that theme and download it to your PC and then head towards your WordPress dashboard and go to the add new themes, and then here is this upload theme option. From this upload theme option you can choose any file in your PC and then install that file. It should be in .zip format, and when you will download this theme from here it will be provided to you as .zip format. So that's how you can install anything from outside with this upload theme option. And so that's it friends, that's it for today. And if you liked the video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends, and visit my blog bloggingvitals.com for complete WordPress tutorial series. Thank you.